This is Building a Rally Car, the show where I, Tyler Weaver, assemble a rally car. Today, I installed the fuel tank. In the first part, I'm getting the little soft lines ready and adjusting them, making sure I know which ones go where and stuff. And then I move the fuel tank magically from my garage to the backyard. Here I am lifting it up with the jacks and getting the bolts to line up. I incorrectly used the long bolts in the front. I realized later long bolts go in the back. Next time I will swap them. I noticed that after I stopped doing video. I went and saw hunting for the small bolts, and it took me a little while to find them. Doggies are so goofy. One of them's going to roll around in the grass in a little bit. Here she goes, yep. After I finish this, the next step is on the right hand side where the charcoal canister is and the filler hose, and there's a vent line, an electrical connection for the evap system. Installing that now and getting that all hooked up. 2 bolts you see hanging down in the foreground are for the subframe that's not there right now. And in the last part of this video, I'm fighting with installing those soft hoses you saw me in the beginning messing with. The middle one, which is the real high pressure one, the fuel one, gave me a lot of trouble because it's bent inside the car to go around the roll cage. Next time, I will figure out how to make it fit. I might have to buy some extra line. As always, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Weavering Rally. Thank you.